Let us solve the first problem. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 hours and 45 hours. If both the pipes open simultaneously, how much time will it take to fill the tank? Okay, so whatever the two pipes that are given, one is A and B, both can fill the tank. It means that both the given pipes are inlet pipes only. Okay, both the given pipes are inlet pipes. Okay, so both the pipes will fill the tank. Okay, so if you draw it, okay, so this is the tank, and this is pipe A and this is pipe B. Okay, so both will fill the tank with water. Okay, if only A is opened, it will take 36 hours to fill the tank. Okay, if only B is opened, it takes 45 hours of time to fill the tank. Okay, in what time, if both are opened, the tank will be filled? Okay, that's the question. Okay, see, there are various ways to solve this kind of problem. I am explaining only one approach. Okay, you may use your own approach. Okay, so if you are already following an approach, you can go ahead with that. Okay, but for my convenience and even for your convenience, because whatever the approach that we choose, that must be suitable for all the types of problems. Okay, so that is the reason why I have chosen a single approach that is suitable for all the problems that pertains to pipes and cisterns. Okay, that is the reason why I am using this approach. Okay, let me tell you the approach. Okay, so in this, whatever the times that are given, one is 36 and one is 45 hours, right? First of all, you have to take the LCM of those two. Okay, so LCM of the two given times, that is 36, 45. Okay, so what will be the LCM of these two? That will be 180. 180 will be the LCM. Okay, so whatever the LCM that you have got, you have to consider that in some units. I mean, you have to consider that as some volume. I mean, so they just have given it takes for 36 hours to fill the tank and it takes 45 hours to fill the tank. We don't know what is the volume of the tank, how many liters it takes to fill the tank, what is the volume of that in liters or cubic meters or something else, that not has been given in the problem. Okay, so we have to assume such that the volume is known for us. Okay, so whatever the LCM that you have got, so that you take as units. So 180 units is the volume of the cistern or the tank. Okay, in this case. Okay, so the LCM that we have got is 180 units, that is the volume of the tank. Okay, so now let us consider the pipe A. So pipe A, so they have given that it takes 36 hours to fill the tank completely till the top. Then we have to find in 1 hour how much extent of the tank will be filled when pipe A alone is opened. Okay, so for that 1 by 36 into whatever the whole volume that we have got. Okay, so 1 by 36 into 180, so this will be 5 units per hour. Okay, so the pipe A will fill 5 units of the tank in 1 hour. Okay, then how about pipe B? Pipe B 1 by 45, right? So 45 into 180 and that will be 4 units per hour. So pipe A alone can fill 5 units per hour and pipe B alone can fill 4 units per hour. If both are opened, if both of these are opened, then combinedly they can fill 4 plus 5, 9 units per hour. So per hour both can fill 9 units of the total volume of the tank. Okay, what is the total volume of the tank? Okay, that the LCM. Okay, so that is 180 units. Okay, so in 1 hour if both of the taps fill 9 units, how many hours will it take to fill the complete tank. It means 180 units of volume. Okay, so time to fill the tank by A and B both. Okay, so then that will be 180 by 9 units per hour, and this is in units, right? So you will get something in hours. Okay, so this will be 9/20s, right? So 20 hours will be your answer. If both A and B are opened simultaneously, it takes 20 hours to fill the tank. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this. The very first thing that you have to do is you have to find the LCM of the two given times. Okay, so if one is inlet pipe and the other is also inlet pipe in this case, and if one is inlet, one is outlet, okay, if n number of inlets are there, n number of outlets are there, okay, you have to take the LCM of the respective times of all those pipes or the taps. Okay, so whatever the LCM that you get, you take that into some units. Okay, you just take straight away as, so as we considered here 180 units, that itself will be the volume of the tank or cistern or reservoir or whatever is given in the problem. Okay, so then you just try to find the efficiency of each pipe. Okay, pipe A fills 5 units per hour, pipe B fills 4 units per hour, together they will fill 9 units per hour. Okay, all these are efficiencies of each, and finally the both, that is 9 units per hour. If you know the efficiency and already you have got the volume, right, that is 180 units, so you can easily find out the time. Okay, and even you have to be aware of the two terms, that is simultaneously and alternately. Simultaneously means together at a time both are opened. Alternately means one after the other. If one is open, the other will be closed. Okay, like that, alternately the pipes will be opened. Simultaneously in the sense all at once will be opened. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this, and we'll solve some more problems to understand it better.